Just Jeep It. Jeep Shop's open today. I wanted to install one of these guys on the driver's side roof. So I'm going to try to do this video in under a minute. So let's see if this happens. Okay. Go to your passenger side and create a template with blue painter's tape. It could be any color you want, but I chose blue. Take the template you just created and go to the driver's side, noticing where the holes are in the driver's side pillars. Holes here, holes here. Bust out this Dremel and let's start making some holes. Okay, you got the holes drilled, just like that. The handle's installed. Now when you're cruising down the highway, you can have one hand on the handle and one hand on the wheel. Hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe, comment if you'd like, and you have a great day. Take care.